Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning. My name is Nanit Ayonting Galapati, 30 years old. I I am married. I have three kids. The eldest one is boy, 13 years old, and the second one is girl, 12 years old, and the third one is boy also, 10 years old.
Okay, what is your education?
My educational attainment is high school graduate.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have four brothers and I have four sisters.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience.
I serve one couple with 3 years old kid. I do household chores like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and also taking care of the kids.
How old is the kids?
3 years old.
Only here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Do you have any working experience abroad?
No.
Okay, so this is your first time.
Yes.
Okay, please tell me if ever the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check the diaper. If it is wet, I will change it and I will feed the baby and check the temperature.
Okay, if ever the baby is taking a bath, do you know what do you need to prepare?
Yes, I prepare lukewarm water and a soap and a towel and
What do you need to be careful when you were taking care about the baby?
I will careful the eyes, nose, and ears to spill the water.
Okay. Do you have any allergy?
No?
Okay, so do you eat everything?
Yes?
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No?
Okay, so if ever you want to come to Hong Kong, so what is your purpose in coming?
I want to earn more money for my children and family.
Who will take care of them when you work in Hong Kong?
My husband and my mother.
Okay, if the children is very naughty and not listening to you, what will you do?
I will...
Do you have a long patience for them?
Yes, I have a location.
Okay, if ever the children is got sick, what will you do?
I will check the... Oh, I will put it...
You want to put a cold fever on the head, right?
Yes, I will put cold fever on it and I will tell the parents that the child is sick.
And then, do you recommend them to bring the hospital for checkup, right?
Yes, I will recommend to bring hospital.
Can you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
Yes.
Okay, can you assist the elder person, assist them older needs if there is any elder person in the house?
Yes.
Can you work if ever employer, do you want to go day off but they will pay you? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song or baby song?
Yes.
Okay, can you sing now?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I wonder what you are.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what food can you cook?
Filipino food, 80 Filipino food.
Are you willing to take to cook a Chinese food?
Yes, I'm willing to learn.
Okay, if ever employer want you to do the car washing without extra pay, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No?
Are you willing to cut your hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes.
Can you promise not to lose money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my future employer, please hire me because I will do my best to...
Can you work under pressure?
Yes, I will work under pressure and I'm hardworking, trustworthy, and honest.
Okay, can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you.